Hi viewers, welcome to this video. It's not Halloween, sorry if this is scaring anybody, this is my face. I'm Craig, this is my channel. You may know me from other videos that you've seen in the past, from Mr. Close-Up Fingers, or Mr. Profile, or Mr. Oh my god, there's another shot of his back, because of bad editing. I thought I'd just come in here briefly, bit of quiet out the house. My lad's upstairs on the computer, shouting his orders on his games console. This is my HQ at the moment. It's cold, it's windy. Well, it's not actually that windy, it is just cold. I will put the fan on, but it's noisy. Not good when you're trying to video something. I thought I'd just make this video, introduction, as the other day, going through editing process, as I'm not liking, I opened a folder up and I was like, what's this? There's loads of other video clips, and I find out it's video footage from early on, and then I realised I've edited videos past that point and I can't re-edit that video. So I thought what I'd do is just chuck all these clips together, just showing what I've done up to the point where you watch the next video. That's it basically. So we'll go to the next bit. I'll talk over it quick. There is I think a 10-minute section in it of a video clip which I'm already talking on. I think after that I'll just leave you to it. So I hope everybody had a fantastic Christmas. We are in between Christmas and New Year, well I am. So I hope you all have a fantastic New Year as well. Nice to meet you all, thanks for watching in advance. Sorry if I've scared you. If you've got your hands over your face, you can release them, count to 5 and then let go. Thanks, bye. And here they are, the footage that was lost in another folder. It's too late for me to edit the next video, so I thought I'd just quickly chat over this. As you can see, I'm taking the foam up, the foam bed, and changing it from 1 lane into 2 where the point would go. I ended up buying 4 points in total, 2 brand new, begrudgingly. I managed to get 2 off eBay, good quality, second hand. 2 of them with the long curved ones and 2 of them are like the double curved ones. As you can see, that's the long curved one, and I used a small section of track of the double curved on the back end of it. I just found it made that transition into the curve a lot better than going straight into the flexi track. Glue it down, I pin it up. There's a tiny little tab that wanted to come out. I think I stick a blue pin into it. Yeah, there you go. That held it down nicely. Here I am soldering the first part of track. I had a lot of problems with my soldering iron at the start, and all it boiled down to was a dirty tip. Every time it turned on, it just go black with soot. In the end, what I found was easier. I took the tip out, I put it in a drill, whizzed it round on a bit of sandpaper, and then next time as it heated up, I just tried to tin it as best as I could, and that has helped a lot. It does help a clean tip on the soldering iron, and flux as well. Tiny bit of flux on the rail joiner, and a tiny touch of flux on the solder. As you're touching the tip, it just helps it melt. This just would not melt into that rail joiner. It just kept balling up, and as you can see now, I'm taking it back off. It just puddled up on the bottom. So a bit of a die grinding session there. Just take it down flat, I file it flat. It's just enough to get the rail sleeper back under. From then on, I didn't have much problems with the soldering tip as long as I kept it clean. I have changed my soldering iron since then. I bought one of them little Iron Hell trigger ones. It's yellow. It heats up that fast. It's really good, and it cools down just as fast, which I like. So I may modify the tip on that. Here I am, and that's it, just laying that first part of the track down. It is in the curve. I'd rather try and bend the curve in after that, rather than just trying to get it curved after that point motor, after the point. And there you go, that's it. The last 6 inches I don't curve it, I leave it straight. Join the next section of straight on, then I curve it round. As you can see, I've already put the inside loop already, and I continue to do the straight sections by the station area. And that's it from there. This one out, finish, and then go into a section that I've recorded with me already talking. So that's it for me chatting over this. Another day. Oh, Saturday morning. Lovely morning. That's paint. Lovely and sunny. Just done a bit of gardening. Sorted that tree. Wood leaf. Trimmed that one, got all the weeds from the side, cut the grass the other day. Did all the path, lovely. Cleared the weeds up. It's lovely and sunny. It's cold, but not freezing. So, let me zoom out again. What did I do yesterday? Because I think what I'll keep forgetting to. I think you saw me. That was it. Solder some joints on me. Yeah, you saw me solder these joints. Last night I was messing with this track. That was it. So I've messed with this for a little bit. I've glued this down. I've glued the inside one down. I've used and I've put it down. I didn't know if it would work or not, but these pins are lovely. They just sit lovely just in between the tracks, and it's stuck. That's stuck really good. I'm happy with that. I only went so far. I can't remember where I went to. I did just enough so then I can lift that up, start again to glue up to there. That's it. I soldered those. Oh, what I did last night, I put these dropper wires in. Yeah, I haven't got cable. All I had, like I said, I'm not buying stuff. I've got some of this armoured cable because that's the 3 cores, the stranded stuff. I've got this lighting wire. I think it's 2.5mm or 2mm. One of them, I don't know. It's on there somewhere. Oh, 1.5. 2 times 1.5. Yeah, like lighting cable for this stuff. I've struggled to. It's got that coating and it's hard, and it is quite a thick strand, and I was struggling. I got the armoured stuff, stripped it down. What I am going to do is I used the full core. Now I'm going to halve the core on the next one. I'm going to halve the core and then what do you call it when you can't think of the word I'm after. You just put the solder on the end and then you put to that. So it is quite a wide. I mean, you can't feel anything. The truck runs over it, love. There's nothing on the tops. You can just feel it on the shoulders. But like I said, I've put 2 here, and I'm going to drop 2 over there underneath, because then if I've only got to go from here that power has only got to run that full, so it'll go halfway to there, so that one's that half, from that one will be that half, but then if you think that power has only got to run that around up to that point on the top of the hill, and the same the other way, that one has only got to run up this, around here, round to this part of the hill. So it's not a massive stretch, at least it's not just those two powering the whole circuit, do you know what I mean? It's halfway. I think I'll be happy with that. It's too much hassle, I think, to drop wires through that thickness of thing into the board, and so I'm happy with that. I also messed with this. I'm going to find some tube, and I did a bit of messing with that, a bit of wire through that point. I'll nip that flush. I can bend this up as well, and like I say, in the shunting yard I can have some pallets, a pallet with something on, just a touch switch, so you hold that. It's literally just so you can just push something. Yeah, so just for argument's sake, that pin is that on the top of that, and that's painted as an oil barrel, say. Make that look like a small oil barrel, and I can use it just as a, same again up there for that one, and that'll be a phone box or junction, yeah, something in that one for that one. Where is it? Round here somewhere. Like I say, a small little power junction box or something. But battery's flashing again. It doesn't last in this cold. Rather than film what I'm going to do, you know what I'm going to do on this. I know what I'm going to do. So it's literally a case of lifting this up, a bead of the glue down, and round, and then just stick it on. I'll be happy with that. I am actually happy with that. That's blooming solid. I'll put some track pins in. I have bought some. Yeah, there. I'll put them somewhere safe. Yeah, next to my cars. Next to, I forgot to show you all these. I've got one in that one. That one's there with that body shell. No, it's a similar body shell. That one's another one, and that one is one I'm making from all different bits and pieces. It's literally one of those 144 something. 144001, I think it is. And then the bits. All I did was order some side chassis out of the plastic bits. There's a metal chassis plate somewhere off one of them. That was it. I knew somebody who had bought one and it was broken, so I just took it all. I just bought a longer chassis plate. These will be a different video, I think. Let's crack on with this. Right, I know it's a little late for this, so as you can see I've got some of the track down. You see the one's glued, is glued, this one has just been glued. Now I've just got these out of the box. These are, don't know what they are, class, someone says either class something or, sorry, they're a ruler. I just remember them, the Intercity, I don't know what they are, but they are 6 inches long. They are the longest coach I've got, and my clearance, obviously this one can't move because I've got a pin, but my clearance is Oh, it's fantastic. Just if you look, these are in foot squares, so you've got from that foot in the middle going into the second, into the right to the edge of the third foot, and this is the same. This is coming down from the edge of here right the way around into the edge of, well, it's, if you look, it's past, that's there and that's there. Actually it's not past, it's the same. Yeah, so that one that goes up, that one goes up there. I think I should be okay. That end's a little tight. We'll see. We shall see. So just to caveat what I've just been going on about, and I don't know if I have mentioned it. Actual. If you put 1 inch in the middle, I've gone 1 inch to the far right hand side of what you can see, and 1 inch to the far left of what you can see. So from track left, yeah, so from the left track, the left shoulder, to the right track, right shoulder, is 2 inches.